Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. And then if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. That one means a lot to me. As usual, you'll find me all over social media. So I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and I have our own Facebook group where myself and other crafters, very talented crafters, showcase their products and their makes. So very interactive community, so please join me over there. Today I am super excited because it's the beginning of June, so that means a new set of videos coming over this month showcasing another digital kit from Happiness in Crafting, designed by the lovely Gi Kerr. And today I'm so pleased to show you one of the versatile kits I have ever seen, and it's called the mini embellishment set number 1. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it better. So with this PDF file you get 3 sheets, and I'll show you in just a second. And of course they are embellishments, so they are beautiful designed. As you can see, you've got different backgrounds with some music paper, very botanical pictures on this first page here. Very vintagey, very shabby chic. You've got some numbers, some lace, very beautiful, and again extremely versatile. So this is page number 1. This is page number 2, when you got all colors, kind of like brown and vintagey, like crafty paper, and you've got all the numbers. So it's beautiful page. I really like the color combination here, and you've got the butterfly, the flowers, the chandelier, all these baroque elements. It's very pretty. And then the last page is this one, which is a combination on both. So you've got again more botanical, numbers, pairs, music notes, music paper on the background. Very pretty. Now with this kit, what I've done, this is a size that I just printed off, so this is how it come out. I also printed 3 sheets into 2 pages, so I shrunk them by 50%. Okay, and this is what you get. So you get a small version of that. Let me just zoom out tiny bit so you can see. So this is international A4, so I printed 2 pages into 1, so they literally half of the size. And what I did, I then go either further and I printed, and I can zoom in again, sorry, I don't want to give you a headache, and this has 3 pages into 1. You get the little pictures even smaller. Okay, don't forget guys to join Happiness in Crafting Facebook group, and I will put the link on the info bar, and also Gi Kerr's channel in case you're new to her. And yeah, join us. And if you wish to purchase this kit, there is a link that takes you to the Happiness in Crafting Etsy shop, and you can purchase the kit. Very good value for money, so I really recommend it. Okay guys, so today I want to share and show you how I made, sorry, I'm peeling off the glue off my finger as we speak, this lovely beaded, decorated, I suppose, paper clips. So this one is the first one. I've done a video showing you how to make those angels, and I will put a link here in the corner and also at the end of the videos. But I'm going to quickly show you today how we can make some more and have some fun. So of course I'm using this lovely embellishment from the kit. So what I've done, let me just show you this first. So on here, this is 2 layers. It's actually really thick, of 200 I think it's 220 GSM white cardstock. So I glue one on top of another. I fussy cut and glued the elements on top of it, and also I've done 2 layers with Mod Podge, so you can see they're properly sealed and quite shiny, because the Mod Podge I've got is it's the gloss finish. I've literally got this, as you can see, like that much left. It's crazy. I go through like Mod Podges, I feel like drinking water. So anyway, And then yeah, so when it dries, you just fussy cut that, and you've got a really strong embellishment, and of course it will be waterproof. So this is one. So you've got green, it's kind of like green colors. So I've also made the paper beads. I don't know how close can I zoom in without the camera a bit going funny. I think I got a few, yes, I got a few left in here. Again, I've done another video how to make paper beads, which I will link it down below in the info bar. So that's the rest of the beads that I've made. And I created these little angels. I think they're so cute. Then I added these beads, these green beads here, and these silver charms. They were gifted to me, a lovely Mary. I got this one here on a Happy Mail. So we're going to use the rest of this today. The second one, this is the smallest size of the embellishment. So what I did, once I show you, you can, when you print them, you can print them and scale them in any size that you want. And this is the same size of the stamps I made last week. And again, another angel, more beads, really pretty. And then the last, which is the medium size of the paper, is this one, and it's got a blue angel, kind of like baby blue beads, and the roses with the music paper on the background. I think it's really pretty. They're so fun to make. They're fantastic craft fairs selling ideas, because you can make like a little bunch of this and sell them. They're really pretty. They're fairly easy to make, unless you've got big hands like myself, and that become a challenge. Yes, so I'm going to show you really quickly. Let's do one together and I'll show you how to make them. Right, so let's start with the angels. So I get my finding, I think they're called. So let's start with let's use the blue one. So we're going to get a white pearl on the back, then the body, and then we're going to get the little wings there. And then we put a little head. What color should we go? Should we go for like greenish? Yeah, or pinkish? Greenish. Greenish. Let's go for that. And then I just cut the excess. And then with my tweezers, I just roll and roll and roll. And this is where having big hands don't help, but never mind. So that's the angel made. As you can see, it took me what, 30 seconds. Now we're going to do the decorated bits, and I'm using, let's use some of the blue pearls. So let's start with, I love this one. These sort of colors work really nice if you do like a mermaid nautical thing. Oops, you see what I mean? It's like normal people will take 2 seconds and me will take half an hour, but never mind, it's part of the game. Don't look at my hands because I've got glue everywhere. Put this blue one there. Sorry, I'm not even in shot, but you get the gist. Done there. Another silver. To be fair, I quite enjoy it because I think they're really, it's the kind of project that you just need to sit down and do it without concentrating too much. So it's quite therapeutic, I suppose. And we don't care about perfection. It's all about having fun making them. Okay, so this is actually quite long, and I'll do the same. So I'll close the end there. So we've done that. Then we're going to get the little rings. No, that's too big. So get, oops, get this one first. first. Put through that. Okay, so that's one. And you can go inside there. There. Then we get, oh, did I have a second one? There, yeah, there it is. So get the little ring, put through the angel. There. Pull that through, two. And then let's have a look at the charms, because I might going to get two charms because this paperclip is quite big. So let's see what we got left. We got the little car, we got this symbol, we got the little shoe, the heart, the anchor, and the tennis rack. I might go for the hearts and the shoe, like the sandal. Yeah, let's do that. So they can go back in a little bag. So I'll open this little bit there. Sorry, I'm concentrating, not very chatty. Okay, one, get a little ring. So I suppose this sort of project, they're probably best to do when you watch TV or if you do something on the background, because as I said, yes, you probably have to concentrate just when you do this little bit, but it's not anything that requires lots of attention. So, and it's fairly easy to make. So that, and then put there, and we put this through the little heart. There. Yeah, you can go on and on and on and on. I mean, don't go too crazy, because you just need to bear in mind that when you put this through there, this is what you see. Okay, so this is, so don't overload it, because otherwise when you put this through a page of a journal or anything, you know, you will still need a bit of room for the charm to move around. Okay, and now we're going to attach the gorgeous images. So for this, am I going to use the big one, those two here? I'm going to use that one and the one with the butterfly. It's quite thick to cut, so, but I suppose, and it's not that, it's, yeah, damp, it's probably the right way, not wet, because it's not wet, still a bit damp. There, and we said the butterfly, so we chop that off. You can laminate them as well, but G did a similar video when she laminated all this embellishment, and she noticed that when she was cutting it, fussy cutting it, the actual layer of plastic just came off, just peel off. So I suggest maybe Mod Podge is best rather than laminate it, and then you just get a paper piecer, make a little hole. Be careful not to chop your finger off. And then we might get a bigger ring. Pull that through. He says. There. One. And two. And then we put that through there, make sure it goes on the back. And that there. What do you think? Let me zoom in. Really, really, really pretty. Oh, he's in between the shoes. Bear with. It's the shoe that's causing the problem. That's it. All done. How pretty is this? And again, the dingle and jingle. So yeah. Right guys, that is it for today. I hope you like them. Let me just move them. Let me move. There. 2, 3 and 4. Okay guys, I hope you like this little tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me the usual thumbs up because I will support the video doing well. If you're not already guys, please subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, you find me all over social media, so please appreciate a little subscribe and follow me over there as well. Don't forget guys, if you wish to purchase the kit, it's so good. I really recommend it. I will put the link of the kit down in the info bar and also on G's channel, so if you don't know G's, please go and check it out. Right guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.